Welcome back to another episode, always doing something. Today I'm at work again and I'm just going to show you what the yard looks like to begin with. So here's what we're working with today. I don't think I'm touching any of this up here. Just going to clean off the driveway. Suck all these leaves out. Get all these plants right here growing off the side of the house. Already started. All these are just growing out of, check it out, just out of the crack. I heard this is like 3 years old worth of growth right here. See, look. Yeah. I got some of these weeds right here to do. Gonna replant that pile somewhere else. Got some more weeds out here to clean up. Yeah, so make sure you follow along. Leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm gonna get to work and I'll see you guys here in a little while. All right, check this out. I got my leaf vacuum. I'm supposed to vacuum with it, but I took the front part off and I'm using it as like a wood chipper. Check this out. What a great idea. That was pretty cool. I ain't never done that before. I just saved myself a whole bunch of room though in the trash can. Yeah, that thing's barely filled up, and it would have filled up my can all the way. Alright, I'm gonna get back to vacuuming and I'll see you guys again here in a little while. Alright everyone, thanks for watching today's video. Let me show you what I did today. So I weed eated that right there. Did some hand pulled all these weeds right here. Small ones, so just hit them with the weed eater. Here's the driveway right here. This was the main part. You had all those plants growing in between the crack right here. In between the house and the driveway. 3 years worth of crud on here, but look at it now. Looks good. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Leave us a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.